Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hack into Facebook ads, get the best result for yourself, and you don't have to waste the amount of time others waste before setting up their Facebook ads. So without wasting your time, let's head straight to my browser. And here we are on Google Chrome. So whenever you want to run a Facebook ad and you want to see what your competitors are doing so that you can do better, it is always best you look into what they are doing and see what they are doing before you get started. So we are going to be looking into our competitors, what message they are passing, how they are passing it, and how we can make our own better. The first thing to do is to come to your search bar and you type the word facebook.com/library, or you just type Facebook library, sit here, and then it will load. The very first one that said add library, you tap on it. Tapping on this add library, it will bring you to a page like this. I would advise you turn your phone into a desktop mode. You can see my is already in a desktop site. So you go back, you see you can zoom it, and when you zoom it you can see search ads. Set your location and choose an ad category to start your search. Now, have you seen my location here? Nigeria. And then can you see the ad category? You will just tap on all ads. By the time you tap on all ads, you come to this search bar. When you come to this search bar, let's assume you want to run ads for copywriting, or you want to run ads for an affiliate product, or you want to run ads for video or graphic design. All you need to do is come here and, for instance, type copywriting. Now, by the time you type copywriting, you search on it, it is going to load and bring you so many people's ad, so many people who are currently running ads on copywriting, and you can just take your time and look through what they are saying, look through how they are saying it. Now, for instance, let's check this. For instance, this one, have you seen what is here? You can see, are you tired of working hard and facing daily stress only to get fired despite your dedication and commitment to your job? I know I was, but I found the solution that changed everything. I discovered the world of email copywriting. Have you seen that? Now, let's say for instance you want to set an app for copywriting, and you have been looking for ideas on how to write the best copy ever, or how to convince those who are going to come for your copywriting class. You will read through this, you get another one, read through it, you get another one, go through it, you get another one. You can see different people with different ads on copywriting. Just go through them, see what they are saying, see how they are saying it, and you can be able to copy. Now, let's assume this is the one you want to model. You just have to do this and copy all of them. Copy every word here. By the time you copy every word here, you go to your Google Docs. For instance, you come back here, go to your Google Docs. You come to your Google Docs and you are going to put them down here on your Google Docs, paste it. When you are ready, you come and edit it. You can get as much as possible so that when you're editing it, you get the best result possible. So, what if you are running a graphic design ad? It is still the same thing. You will hack through using this simple method I have shown you. Just come to this place. Once it loads, you tap on the search bar and you write graphic design. Now, what is there already is copywriting. So we are going to clean it and check graphic design. Graphic design. So by the time we search graphic design, it is going to load and we'll see all the ads that are running on for graphic design. So are you now seeing them? He said, attention entrepreneurs. Okay, have you seen the ads? So many ads that are running on how to become a graphic design. You can see them, and you can see everyone is putting out their own graphic to show you that this is what you're going to get once you start it. So you just look through the one you like and do not waste time. You see, this guy wrote a very nice long copy here. So you just look through it and see what will resonate with you or what you have been looking for to add in your own ads, and then you just copy it and paste. Remember how we did it? Edit it before you go and put the person's link, so that when you want to set your own ads, it will be easy for you. This is how to check what your competitors are doing, and then you can go ahead and do better so that yours will always stand out and people are going to say, wow, this is better. So I hope this video was able to help you, and if yes, please give it a like so that it will help the video do well and to encourage me to do more videos for you. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe. I remain Kingsley Nemeka, and just like I said to my students, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first.